The RHODIUS X T70 is a popular cutting disc for steel and stainless steel. With extremely soft aluminium AW60/60, the disc starts to struggle and can only be moved through the material with force. It's hard to keep the disc in a straight line here, and applying so much pressure when cutting is also a safety risk. The reason this happens is that the aluminium is clogging up the grain. The RHODIUS XT24 has been specially designed to cut aluminium and non-ferrous metals. With its grain formulation of silicon carbide and corundum, plus a specialized bond, this disc achieves a significantly faster and lighter cut. Specialized fillers significantly reduce any clogging of the grain, which is why you should always make sure you use the right cutting disc for your material. Thanks for liking and sharing. Subscribe to our channel now so you don't miss any new videos.